Right, so all the following drone footage is filmed with this new piece of kit. We've been treating ourselves. So this is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Obviously comes with a drone, obviously. Controller, the bag and the extra battery in it is something we bought extra. If you're interested in these products, there will be a link in the description, and if you purchase through there, it'll help us grow our channel. Thank you. Laters.
Well, we're at, where are we?
We are just west of Perth. CL Park. Beach Park. Nice little spot. Just have a look around the site now.
There's our motorhome.
Decorated up.
Yep, decorated. Front wedding.
Oh, wedding? Oh, you got married?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Lucky girl.
Lucky man.
Whoever it is.
We've just taking little Nell out for a little wander. It's a bit nippy. The weather's been weird though, it's been like raining on and off all the time. But yeah.
We were planning on stopping in Lochaline, but unfortunately, due to being bank holiday and busy, we didn't.
No.
So this is an airport spot for tonight, and tomorrow the plan is we're going to go to Sky. So this
What are we doing in
the,
Sky, Alan?
We're looking around the site.
What else are we doing?
Oh yeah, oh no, don't spoil it.
Okay. We'll let you know what we do.
So we've got toilet spot, emptying your crapper.
Chemical closet.
Right, toilet, you can sit on there.
I don't know what the shed's for, like. That's a toilet, is it?
After dark,
Oh, information hall.
Obviously not much information here. Oh, there we go. So this is Lochaline CL Park. A few little things about. Little map where we are, what you can do, walks and such like. There's a map here of where we are. You are here. Let's hit zoom right in. So you can there's honesty box. No, you're videoing that. Still video? No, there's honesty box. Or you can do the bank transfer.
Yeah. We're just going to put some money in the box.
Yeah, I'll put a fiver in as well.
It's £25 a night here, guys. If you're wanting to know.
Nice little spot.
Yes. There's a little Nev. Yeah. There's some nice views. There's the views. I've got Alan's top on the view.
Nice view then.
But we're just going to chill out tonight and then have some prosecco as per usual for a change.
Moderation.
Yeah.
Moderation.
Yeah.
So just have one or two maybe.
Yeah.
That's bottles.
Yeah. But we'll catch up with you tomorrow and let you know what we're up to. No doubt we'll see you on Sky next.
Oh yeah.
So we'll see you later.
It is.
Bye.
Bye.